Hi, I'm Lauren from Pure Joy Designs, and today I'm going to show you how we make our little reindeer name places. So once you've opened Lightburn, you now want to open up the document that you want to work on. So I click on File, and in this case it's the reindeer name places. Now I want to edit the text, so I double click and type in the new names that I want to cut. I then select the select tool, select the reindeer, the eyes and the text, and just ensure that they're all centered. And now I'm ready to check my settings. So for the fill, I have the speed on 3500 and I'm just going to change the power to 95. For the purple line, 395, and I've just changed the kerf. This is to make sure the reindeer sits in the stand nice and snug. And then the blue line, 395 again. I do one pass on the fill, and the two lines they pass twice, just to make sure they cut through completely. I then go to console, turn on the light and the fan, and I'm ready to frame my design. So I click frame to see where the laser is set up, and I can see that it's off the wood. So I just move my design slightly up and check the frame again. I don't want to waste any wood, so I make sure my design is as close to the edge as possible. I then move the laser into the middle of the wood and just make sure the laser is focused. I find that having the focus arm at a slight angle ensures that the laser cuts through the wood completely. And then I am ready to go. I always put the engraving first because I don't want the design to move when the laser cuts and the wood drops through. And obviously this video is sped up. As you can see, I have propped the wood up at the corners so I can easily see that the wood, that the laser's completely cut the wood and it's dropped through nicely. Once the reindeers are cut, I then use a wet wipe to wipe away any burn marks. I have tried tape in the past, alcohol solution, and also sanding down my projects, but I do find wet wipes work the best for me. Just being really careful over the engraving. So once I've cleaned up the reindeers, I need to paint the little red noses. I just use red acrylic paint from Hobbycraft. And when they're dry, I use wood glue, Gorilla wood glue, to glue the noses onto the reindeer. So just a little bit on the back. You don't want to use a lot because we don't want the glue to spread. And that's Alan ready to go. And so once they're all dry, you can put your reindeers in their stands and they're all ready to pop on your Christmas table as your name places.
I hope you enjoyed my video. To download the file for free, you can head over to my website and more videos will be on their way soon.